Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Shazam on Snapchat with your Samsung TV. Alright, let's begin. Now, there are two ways you can use Shazam for Samsung TV. Either you can use your phone to identify a song playing on your Samsung TV, or you can use it on the Samsung TV itself. For the first method, open the Snapchat app and make sure you're logged in. If you want to identify a song that's playing, go to the main camera screen. While on the camera screen, press and hold anywhere on the display. Snapchat will automatically start listening to the audio using its built-in Shazam integration. After a few seconds, if the song is recognized, the name and artist will appear on the screen. This method works best if you're on the main Snap screen, not inside chat or other sections. In order to use Snapchat on your Samsung TV, you will first need to install the app on it. But note that there is no official way to use the Snapchat app on Samsung TV as it is not available on the App Store. That's why you won't be able to use Shazam on your Samsung TV. So that's basically how you can use Shazam on Snapchat with your Samsung TV. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.